students, in chapter number 3 metals and non-metals, we already studied the difference between minerals and ores in last session. What is mineral? जो क्या होता है, तो अर्थ का जो क्रस्ट है उसमें नेचुरली जो फाइंड आउट होते हैं वो मिनरल्स होते हैं. वो मिनरल्स में क्या होता है, तो कि मेटल होती है. वो मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, प्रॉफिटेबली एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, तो उसको ओर्स बोलते हैं. ORES. Ores. In the help of reactivity series, we can use different methods to extract the ores. But when we take a method, when we learn a method, some steps can be given for the ores in the form of chart. You draw the chart in the form of chart is compulsory. When the question arises, give the form of chart. So you give the chart from ores. Let's draw it. Here the ore, concentration of ore, with the help of concentration of ore, the metals can be extracted by three forms. Either they are metals at high reactivity. The second is metals at medium reactivity. Metals of medium reactivity, and then metals of low reactivity. See, we already studied in last session potassium, sodium, calcium, aluminum are the metals at high reactivity. Zinc, iron, lead has the medium reactivity, and copper, silver, aluminum has the low reactivity. So metals at high reactivity can be extracted by the method of electrolysis of molten ore. And when electrolysis of molten ore can be used, this type of method, the metal can be found in their pure form, pure metal. Metal at high reactivity, they can be sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. So see, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium and aluminum can be extracted at the method of electrolysis. Then the second is metals of medium reactivity. Metals of medium reactivity can be found in their carbonate or sulfide or carbonate or sulfide ore. Both type of ores can be passed through if the in middle reactivity series is carbonate ore can be present. It can purify by the method of calcination. And if the sulfide ore can be present, it can be purified by the method it is called roasting. Both type of oxide of metal can be passed through in reduction method. Reduction of metal and then reduction to metal and then purification of metal can occur. Which metals can be found with their extracted with this type of ore? Zn, Fe, Pb, and extra. Metals of low reactivity series. In metal of low reactivity series, they simply find with their sulfide ore. And the process of roasting, the metal can be find out and then refining. Method of refining can use and then the pure metal can be occur. Silver, copper, silver, gold, platinum can be purified by this method. The chart shows us that steps involved in the extraction of metals from ores. To lack of space, I can write here, you can write properly. When the question arises, write the concentration of ore with the help of chart. अब चार्ट के फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपको कंपलसरी चार्ट ही ड्रॉ करना है. डोंट नीड टू एक्सप्लेनेशन. If the chart and explanation both can occur, you give both the information. But if the question give in only chart, you give the only chart. Don't need to explanation. And अगर आपने एक्सप्लेनेशन ही दिया, चार्ट नहीं दिया, तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, एक भी मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन द चार्ट कैन बी आस्क्ड. What the chart is says, concentration of ore can be divided into three types: metal at high reactivity, metals of medium reactivity, metals of low reactivity. Metals at high reactivity can be purified by the process of electrolysis of molten ore, and pure metal can be extracted. Metals of medium reactivity has two type of ores: carbonate ore and sulfide ore. Carbonate ore, to extract carbonate ore, the method can be used is calcination. For the sulfide ore, the method can be used is roasting. Both are the oxide of metal. They can be reduction of metal and then purification of metal can occur. In the case of metals of low reactivity, sulfide ores can be present. In this type of metals, they can be extracted by roasting and then metal can be occur, and this type of metal can be extracted by the process of refining. In next topic, here we see how the metals can be extracted. First we start with the low reactivity, then middle, and the third is high reactivity. First we study extraction of metal which are present in or which can has low reactivity. Before study low reactivity extraction, we extracting metals low reactivity series. See here one definition can be occur which is called gangue. Ores mined from the earth are usually contain very large amounts of impurities. Ores has very large amount of impurities such as sand, soil, etc. When the large amount of impurities can be present in ores, it is called gangue. The definition can be occur, and then we give the extracting of metals which can be present in low reactivity series. We study with the example of mercury. Mercury means Hg. Metals low in the activity series are very unreactive. The oxides of these metals can be reduced to metals by heating alone. For example, ore of mercury is hydrogen sulfide and it's simply known as cinnabar. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सिन्नाबार. हाँ, मर्क्यूरी के जो सल्फाइड है उसको सिन्नाबार ऐसा बोलते हैं. तो क्या करते हैं, सिन्नाबार में से मर्क्यूरी प्योर फॉर्म में लेने के लिए, प्योर फॉर्म में एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, तो सिन्नाबार को ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंट में हीट करेंगे. When we heat cinnabar at the presence of oxygen, we got mercury oxide and sulfur dioxide. This one is solid, gas, solid, solid. For balance reaction, when we heat mercury sulfide in the presence of oxygen, mercury oxide and sulfur dioxide can be occur. When mercury oxide can pass through the heat, it gives mercury plus oxygen. Here we find the mercury. Here two oxygen. So with the help of slightly heating, we find the metal from there extracted. Simply the another example is Cu2S, copper sulfate, in the nature can be obtained from its ore by just heating in air. Cu2S presence in oxygen give the heat. It can be converted into Cu2O, cuprous oxide, plus SO2. To balance the equation, 2 Cu2S, 3 when heat can be passed through Cu2 and Cu2S, we can get copper To balance the equation, we put 6 here. So, with the help of simple heating, we get extracting metals low in the activity series. Here we get mercury and copper. When HGS can be present with the oxygen when we give it heat, it can be converted into HGO and SO2. When HGO can be passed through heat, it can be converted into Hg. When Cu2S in the presence of oxygen, we can give heating it. Cu2O plus SO2 can be occur byproduct. Cu2O plus H2S then pass through the heat, then we extract copper in their pure form. So here we see the steps involved in the extraction of metal from ores and the metal at low reactivity series extraction can be occur.